Hello, my vegan foodies. Today we are going to make my maple glazed roasted carrots with a spiced cashew-tahini sauce. This dish is easy and delicious, and with Easter coming up, I thought it would be the perfect recipe to share with you all. Okay, so first things first, I've got to preheat my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I'm preparing 2 baking trays by lining them with foil and coating the foil with some olive oil spray. Now I'm taking 2 bunches of washed carrots, or about 1.5 pounds, and I'm just lining them up to cut off the greens. I used 1 bunch of rainbow carrots with 1 bunch of regular orange carrots to add some color, but whatever carrots you have will work just fine. So when I'm cutting the tops here, I'm just gonna leave about 1 inch of greens attached. And next, I'm peeling the skins off the carrots. You don't have to peel the skins off the carrots. Skins are edible, but they do have a bitter taste. So I think most people prefer to peel them. And they also look prettier peeled, in my opinion. So now I'm gonna cut my thickest carrots in half lengthwise. My carrots are all different sizes, but I want them to roast evenly. So by cutting the largest ones in half, I'll get them to roast a little more quickly and approximately at the same time as the smaller carrots, so I don't have to take some out before the others. You could also cut your carrots into bite-sized pieces if you prefer. I just think they look nice whole. So for the glaze, I'll start by melting 1/4 cup of vegan butter on the stove. Once that's melted, I will take it off the heat and add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Give it a little mix, and it is ready to go on my carrots. I am placing my carrots in a large mixing bowl here to catch the excess glaze. I will start by just pouring the glaze over the carrots as evenly as possible, trying to coat everything. Then I'll take my little brush and grab some glaze from the bowl to cover the spots that got missed. Now I'll season with a little salt and pepper, turn the carrots, and add some more salt and pepper. And these will go onto my prepared baking trays. I'm leaving some space between the carrots so they can get evenly roasted on all sides. When you place the carrots on the trays, there will still be some glaze left at the bottom of the bowl. Don't try to use all of it because it will just burn in the oven and create a mess. So my carrots will go into roast for about 20 to 25 minutes. You might need to roast yours for up to 30 minutes if your carrots are large and you didn't cut them in half like I did. While those are roasting, I will prepare my sauce, starting with some cashew cream. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of soaked cashews to my blender, along with 6 tablespoons of water. And I will blend that until it is nice and creamy. When the cream is ready, I'll pour it into a bowl, and then I will add 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, and 2 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And I'll give that a little mix before I add my seasonings. I've got 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of coriander, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. I'm mixing that all up well to get all that flavor distributed throughout the sauce. All right, my carrots have been in for 20 minutes, so I'll just check them with a fork to see if they're done. And yep, they're pretty tender now, so I can put them on my platter to serve. These carrots came out so tender and they're just a little bit sweet. And then there's the savory balance from the tahini sauce along with some crunch from the sliced almonds on top. Perfect side dish for the holidays. Try it out, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. As always, thank you so much for sticking around to watch this video. I do have more delicious videos coming soon, so if you're not already subscribed, please click that button if you want to, of course. And I'll see you in the next one.